We guide you through how to add money to PayPal quickly and safely in just a few steps. So, the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Then go to your wallet and select balance to see the option to add money. Tap or click add money, choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. If you haven't linked a bank yet, go to wallet, select link a bank, and follow the verification steps before adding funds. For faster options, you can also add money using debit card where available or by receiving money from another PayPal user directly into your balance. Keep in mind that bank transfers may take a few business days to reflect, while card based options are usually instant. Once completed, your PayPal balance will update and you're ready to use the funds for online shopping, subscriptions, or sending money.